Happy fall! Welcome to my channel, everyone. This is just a quick tutorial on how to upgrade these Dollar Tree signs. You see they come with a little metal leaf and just a little bit of raffia. Well, what I'm going to do is add some more raffia in different lengths, and it's just going to upgrade that sign and make it a little bit more unique and give it a more natural look to it. Here's another before and after before I upgrade the one on the right. I'm using natural color raffia. You can use any color you want. It does come in other colors. I have orange and black as well, but I'm just wanting to use this natural on this sign. So just pull some pieces off, cut some pieces off. You can cut it apart there and unravel it. I just prefer to pull some of it off and then cut off what I need. I don't need very long pieces, so I'm just taking what I need there. And it's best to keep that in a Ziploc bag or in some kind of storage container because it is messy and gets all over everything. I ended up with about 11 inches of the raffia. Like I said, I just eyeballed it, but if you guys want a reference about how long I used, and as you can see, some pieces are longer than the other. You want that. You want it to look natural. Now I'm just gathering it in the middle. After I've sorted out my pieces, I'm gathering it and just tying a knot in the center. It's very simple. Nothing tricky about this. And just pull it tight. Keep pulling those pieces. You want it real tight. And you can kind of move the raffia around to make it look all natural and sticking out everywhere. You see how cute that is? Just see what a difference that makes on that little sign. Just doing something simple like this. So I'm just hot gluing it on there. I'm going to lay it on there and I'm going to take something and hold it down so I make sure that it stays really well. Oh, look what a difference that is. I think it's such a huge difference in doing something so simple to it. You could add different kinds of ribbons. You could do so much with these signs to upgrade them. I'm just showing something very simple with the raffia. I mean, raffia is cheap and it just makes such a huge difference. I'm also going to do it to this pumpkin sign. The one on the right has already been done, and I didn't use as much on this one as I did the truck sign. I didn't want as much, but you can see that just adding a little bit more made a difference in it. I'm just taking a couple of long pieces this time and I'm cutting them in half and I'm putting them together, but make sure that you've got long and short pieces on each end. It's still too long, so I'm cutting it in half again. Again, I'm going to make sure that both ends are jagged with the pieces. You got long and short pieces. That will make it look more natural as well. And then I'm going to tie it in a knot in the center just like I did the last one. I think raffia is a good touch for any fall items you're doing. So if you want to upgrade any Dollar Tree decorations you've got, just add a little raffia to it. I mean, there's nothing more fall than raffia. It reminds you of straw. It reminds you of a scarecrow. So just, you can, it goes so long. You've got a little bundle there and you can use it on so many projects and it'll just upgrade anything. Speaking of scarecrows, I got these little scarecrow picks at Dollar Tree. You could also take one of these and add to your signs very easily. Just cutting it off there. I would probably cut off that pick unless you're going to glue it to the back, which I'll show you how to do that. I'm not going to attach this to the sign because this sign is for somebody and they don't want the scarecrow. But you could just cut it off there at the end and you could glue it to the front of your sign wherever you wanted it, or you could take it on the back there and glue that long pick against the back. Nobody's going to see that if it's on a wreath or something. That little wooden dowel rod stick, I would just hot glue that to the sign. Just make sure that it's being held down until it starts to dry, and there you go. It would be so cute. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, tap the bell, share, comment, like. Appreciate y'all.